In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email in Constant Contact. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account and looking at the top navigation menu. You will begin in the Email tool area. To get there, click Channels, then choose Emails. This is where you can create new email campaigns and manage the ones you have already started. Once you are on the Emails page, it is time to start a new campaign. Click the button labeled Create or Create an Email depending on what you see in your account. This opens the template library, which gives you a set of layouts you can use as a starting point. Templates save time because the basic structure is already built, and you can focus on your message and design. Browse through the template options and pick one that fits the type of email you are sending, like a newsletter, announcement, or promotion. When you find one you like, hover your mouse over that template. You will see a Select option appear. Click Select to open the editor. Now you are in the drag-and-drop editor, which is designed to be visual and simple. You will build your email by placing content blocks into the layout. On the left-hand toolbar, you will find blocks such as text, image, button, and video. Drag the block you want from the left and drop it into the area of the email where you want it to appear. After you place a block, click into it to edit the content, replace images, and adjust the text so it matches your message. To keep your email consistent with your brand, use the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global styling, like your colors, fonts, and background graphics. Making these choices early can help everything look consistent as you add more sections. If you are using a custom page and you want to collect visitor information, you can also drag in a form block. This is useful for gathering signups or other lead details, and it keeps the experience inside your email design workflow. When your layout and content are ready, move on to the sending settings. Choose the list or segment you want to send the email to, then add a clear subject line. The subject line should be specific and easy to understand, since it sets expectations before anyone opens the email. Finally, click Send to deliver your email. That covers everything you need to know.